Yesterday, Annie had a date with her friend at the Red Cafe. Oh, she did not know how to get there, so she had a man for directions. Yes, the man guided her to the Red Cafe very carefully. Oh, he told her go to the corner and turn left. Yes, then she had go to block before turn right. Go through a train station and across the street to the bookstore. There was pharmacy next to the bookstore. No, the Red Cafe next to the pharmacy. No,